if you're looking for the perfect bridal earrings, then something like this, in my opinion, will never go out of fashion. They are timeless, beautifully elegant. We have them available in silver or gold with these stunning golden leaves and porcelain floral detail. They sit perfectly in the ear and just add the missing piece to your bridal look puzzle, making you feel elegant and confident as you walk down the aisle with love in your heart and a sparkle of confidence in your mind, knowing that you are beautiful, you are a goddess, and I'm rooting for you. And if you'd like to take a look at more earrings, visit My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy. We have a huge collection of over 70 different pairs of earrings that are handmade, beautifully timeless, elegant, gold, silver, rose gold, with crystals, floral, modern, you name it, we've got it. So take a look and let us know what you think. And if you have any questions, please reach out. We are always happy to help. Sending you so much love. Have a beautiful day.